Hey everyone, it's Cassie here, and these are my top 5 tips for surviving the holiday season as a maker and small business owner. Now, it is no secret that this is the busiest and often most stressful time of year for our industry. We are managing wholesale orders and shipping chaos. We are keeping our websites running, keeping our social media feeds full, and it really can feel like a marathon with no finish line. And I don't know about y'all, but the only marathon I am interested in running this holiday season involves no running at all. It involves my couch, a cozy blanket, and my favorite holiday movies. So let's get into it so we can help you stay organized, keep your sanity, and hey, actually enjoy the magic of the season. Imagine that. Number 5, keep your product line tight. I know it is so tempting to roll out a dozen new products for the holidays, but restraint is really going to pay off here. Focus on adding, 1 to 3 new products or scents to give that festive feel, but not overwhelm yourself or your customers. Your core collection, that's what people really love about your brand. That's what drew them to you. So make sure you're not burying it under too many extras. Number 4, stage your marketing in waves. I do see a lot of small businesses really only do one big marketing push for the holiday season, but if you stagger it out a little bit, it can help you catch different kinds of shoppers. For example, let's say September, October. This is when you're gonna do your sneak peeks. You're gonna do your wait lists. You're gonna do your early access maybe for your VIP customers. When November hits, this is kind of the prime shopping season. So this is when you really want to do your bigger marketing push. You're going to want to showcase all your gift sets if that's what you're offering. Really push it out there. Now, once December comes around, this is when us last minute people are doing our shopping. So this is when you want to do things like share shipping cutoff reminders on your social media feeds. Anything that's going to, sprinkle a little bit of that FOMO on there. Staggering out your marketing this way helps you connect with both the planners and the last minute shoppers without, overwhelming yourself. Number 3, nail down your wholesale deadlines. Now, if you sell wholesale, and I know a lot of you do, make sure your accounts are very well aware of your shipping deadlines and other cutoffs, and then give them a reminder or two about it. Follow-ups, these little emails, pop-in visits, they're not just logistics. These can also be a good way to keep your brand top of mind and also to highlight any new seasonal collections they might have missed, bestsellers, and if they need a last-minute order of candles, who are they going to go to? Probably the person who just popped in or sent them a little email. All right, pro tip for you wholesalers. Set your wholesale deadline earlier than your direct-to-consumer deadline. Last-minute wholesale orders can really eat into your stock. So you don't want to leave your, retail customers disappointed. So protect your stock by making sure you're giving wholesale customers an earlier cutoff date. Number 2, streamline your packing and shipping. This is one future you is really going to thank you for. Go ahead, get your boxes folded, add your filler if you use, crinkle paper, whatever it is, go ahead and get it added. Tuck in your thank you cards, your business cards, your stickers. Even go ahead and pre-pack your best-selling shipments if you already know that information. By doing this ahead of time when it comes time to ship, all you're gonna have to do is secure the box closed, slap on the shipping label, you're ready to go. So even when things get hectic, you're gonna save some time and most importantly, keep the brand experience consistent for your customers, even when things are so busy. And my number 1 tip for surviving the holiday season, plan for the inevitable. Shipping delays and raw material shortages. Nobody likes it, but if this is not your first year in the candle making space, you already know what's gonna happen. It's just part of the landscape nowadays, and the best way to stay ahead of it is to stay ahead of it. Go ahead, make sure you're fully stocked on your wax, your vessels, your fragrances, your wicks, those really important products that your brand just can't do without. Honestly, running out of your bestseller in December is a lot more costly than having a little bit of extra inventory in January. By the way, did you guys know that Makesy has a pre-order feature for products like larger sizes of fragrance oil and aura jars? Very, very handy for planning purposes and making sure you're going to maintain enough stock for all of the sales you're going to make this season. And don't forget to communicate. Keep your customers informed about any potential shipping delays or stock issues on your website, your social media, your email list. A little just transparency, it really goes a long way to build trust. The holidays don't have to be chaos. Stay organized, plan ahead, communicate clearly, and come January, you're gonna be so proud of what you accomplished instead of feeling just tired and burnt out. I hope you guys found these tips helpful, and if you have tips of your own to share, go ahead and drop them into the comments, and of course, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And happy holidays! Here's to a season full of full carts and happy customers.